If your hair is dull and dry, dull, and breaking, it's not bad luck, it's bad rituals. Let me show you what they're not saying.
Most people go to the salon, they get their hair cut, they come home, and that's it. They think nothing of it. But do you know what to look for when you're there? Most people don't. And have you ever wondered what the hell is going on in your head?
If your crown is dull, dry, and breaking, it's not bad luck. It's your bad hair rituals.
Do you remember this? This is what your hairbrush looked like this morning when you left it on the counter before you left for work. It's still full of hair, and you're going to brush your hair again with it. I want to ask you, what's really going on, my dear? Let's set this straight once and for all. I know you're exhausted, and that's okay. You're safe to rest here. I got a tip for you. Your ends are a little tipsy.
You don't have to oil from the scalp. You have natural oils on the scalp, so brushing these down is enough to moisturize your hair.
I know you're surprised to hear this from me. Somebody had to say it. Nobody was going to tell you, so you bet your ass it was me. Being able to disinfect your hairbrush is going to benefit you tremendously. If you're not disinfecting your hairbrush, you're doing your crown a dissatisfaction. By not only removing the hair from the brush and disinfecting it, you're assuring your scalp has a healthy environment to grow in. How often is your hairstylist disinfecting their hairbrush? How often do you disinfect your hairbrush?
Probably want to reinvest in one that you can't disinfect. Because just like a toothbrush, you want to make sure your hairbrush is personal just for you. And if you're oiling incorrectly, as conditioning your scalp and not the ends, you might be contributing to the problem. Make sure you're not overwashing your hair, because this can contribute to even more oily hair. If you're washing every day and your hair is oily, try cutting back to every other day and use a dry shampoo in between those washes. If you don't want to use a dry shampoo, you can wear your hair back.
Remember, your hair is a luxury. You deserve to treat it that way.
If you want my full ritual download, the PDF is in the description.
Those are a couple of tips that I could give you to help your hair grow. You can implement those right away. And I have one more.
Let me show you what no one else will.
Your hair is living luxury. Treat it that way.
Make sure you're disinfecting your brush properly so that your hair can stay healthy. You want to make sure that you have a clean brush when you're brushing your hair. You don't want to apply a dirty brush to a clean scalp, because that is just going to create more problems for you. So one tip I can give you is to make sure that your brush is sanitizable. You want to be able to submerge it in the sanitizing solution. That way it can be completely disinfected and you don't have any scalp issues.